everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you would like to subscribe, you would be more than welcome. Today we are going to be looking at making a cheese grater for your dolls. Now I have got a cheese grater, but it's a little bit big. If you look at my jug, that was the size of the sort of stuff the cheese grater should be. I've got this one which works really well, and this is for grating nutmeg, and you can get these off eBay and that sort of thing, and I think they're about £1. So not too much if you just want to go with something like that. But what I thought about doing was, I found this was for doing your feet, actually working on your feet, and I thought this would make a really good cheese grater. So all it is a piece of plastic with a metal bit on there, and it is quite rough, so that would work. Now I thought that maybe we could cut it in half and then look at how we could work on it. And I did try and put the pieces off, slide the pieces off, and they come off really easily, she says. There you go. So they slid off really easily. Now I just got this from Poundland, but you should be able to get these at all sorts of places. And what I want to do is I want to cut it about here, because I want a little bit of this here for the top, and I want it to be about the same sort of size as the jug. So I'm going to just put a line where I want it to sort of come. So I'm just going to go there, and I'm going to take my saw, make sure I can see it, and I'm just going to saw, using my saw to cut right through this plastic. Now you could try cutting this with a pair of scissors, but I'm going to actually have a go at doing it like this. So hopefully you can see this. Let's just move the camera down slightly. So I've got a hacksaw here, which is something which I use a lot in my craft room. And I'm just going to have a go at sawing it flat right across there. So with metal, I just realised, I thought, well, this is quite flimsy metal, I'll just actually have a look. And I had a look, and I just found that you could take it and you could just pop your scissors and it would cut right across with the scissors. So I've just got to put that one on the top of it, and I'm just going to cut it with the scissors, and it just cut right across like that. So make sure you've got your old scissors, get a cheap pair from somewhere like Poundland, and just cut it like that if you're going to do that. Okay, and I'm just going to take those edges off so there's no sharp points on it anywhere. And I'm going to slide that back in there for a second just to check that it's fitting okay. There we go. And that's it. That's about where I want it to be, smashing. Okay, and I'll do the same on the other side. And then the next thing we want to do is I just want to cut myself a little bit of a handle. So I'm going to go across again with the hacksaw and cut myself a little bit of a handle. I'll just take that off there. And I should cut it about here, I think, so it's got a little handle to it. So I've cut off the bit where I want for the handle, and I'm just going to take a little sanding block, and I'm just going to sand everywhere which I've cut, because I don't want anything to have any sharp edges on it at all which could catch or make a cut or anything like that. So I'm just going to go around everything and give it a good sand. And these are the little sanding blocks I just got in Poundland. Okay, so I'll go over it and sand it and make sure that's nice and smooth all over. So I sanded it all over, and the best way I found to do it was to actually lay the block down on the table and just take it along like that, rather than trying to do it the other way. And it came out lovely and smooth, as you can see. So I'm just now going to make sure that that top bit is nice and smooth, there's no sharp bits on it. And then I'm going to slip it in to that side, and then I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. Oopsie, just push that bit in. That's it. There it goes. There we go. So there you have it, a lovely little cheese grater for your dolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.